going to start with the cattle call. It's going to medley of waltz, two-step, West Coast swing, lead follow, basically. We're going to have couples 1, 2, and 3 stay on the floor. The rest of you, please exit. We'll come to you later. Pick a spot, couples. Steve's going to spin a medley of music for you. Are we ready? Let's go.
They call me a friend who will listen, a friend who's kind-hearted and true. They'd never think about calling me lonely. What would they say if they knew?
Outside of Dallas, I dropped my drink and she came walking by. By the time I got a grip, she slipped through my fingertips and left me with my big mouth open wide. I should have asked her faster, but I waited too long. In a red hot minute, like a flash she was gone. I didn't get her number, never got her name. A natural disaster. I should have asked her faster. She was talking to some cowboy in the corner. My one last chance to ask her on the floor. And just when I got the nerve, I got just what I deserve as I watched him walk. In the pouring rain, take along your baby just cause you in love. Fishing and loving, I can't get enough. Well, that's country. I was raised a country child. That's country, baby, that's my style. Got me a pickup, I got a piece of nothing farm. Shotgun and a hound dog, I got a tractor in the barn. Rocking chair on my front porch and a jug of homemade wine. When I ain't making music, that's how I spend my time. Well, that's country.
Couples 1, 2, and 3 tonight. Nice job on the cattle call.